We want to activate the Koitalel brand in a broad way. That is why we've even partnered with Viutravel, so that we can encourage the sightseeing of Nandi County. We've started with the golf tournament as the activation itself, because we want to incorporate a broad range or a broad demographic.
As a company that embraces golf sports tourism, we are here to support the tournament, and it has been an amazing experience having to see people coming from all over to come and enjoy this amazing tournament.